what people remember is not facts and figures. What they remember are stories. And how can you use stories to tie into your marketing campaigns so that you can not only drive results, but most importantly, you can drive conversions? You want to always make sure that whenever you're using storytelling for any piece of content, whether that be for video, email, or a social media post, you want to always tie it into a business lesson. You want to tie it into a lesson that's relevant for your target niche. Because every story has to have a point. If there's no point to the story, don't bother telling it. The story that you tell in your content, it's got to be something that's relevant to your target audience, something that's going to resonate with them. If you would focus on doing that, focus on creating the kind of content that resonates with them, then you're going to better your chances of having those conversions. If you focus on not only telling the story, but you also tie a vitally important business lesson around it, or for whatever your target niche is looking for, then you're going to increase your chances of getting those conversions.